What's up friends, welcome back to tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to mention someone in a comments on Rednote. So let's say I'm going to open up the psychology of money, and if I want to mention somebody in a comment, I can either click say something there and start typing whatever I want, and you see the at sign here. You can tap on that and you can mention someone. As you can see, I can tap that friend there and I can mention that person. I can say check this out, or I can say love this or something like that, right? And once I do that, I mention that person, right? So you can tap on that and this person gonna get mentioned in the comments there, right? Another way is if you go down onto the bottom and you find something, you can simply go ahead and tap say something here, and it's gonna also give you the option there to write. Of course, you will also see the older other mentions that you've done in the past, so you can quickly select those person and then you can continue to write as well. But if you're looking for how to mention your friends in a particular post, then this is how you do it. Keep in mind that you mention someone, you need to go ahead and have those people in your friends list. Otherwise, if you type at, you will not see anyone. You will only see people within your friend list. That's how you can mention someone. So if you want to mention someone, add them first, or follow them first, and then you can mention them in various posts on that. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.